GT White. Welcome on board.
Hi, David.
I agree to you, my man. You don't see as our boys give us massive joy today. Going forward with this team, how you see the team?
Omo, with wetin dem play today, hope dey for the team. You get looking at this team basically, wetin we see for Benin last time, e dey very different. Wetin we see today, e show say yes, say the Super Eagles they can actually give us what we want. Look at the game play, look at the ball play, from the build up, from the defense to the midfield, and how dem dey put the ball go side. See wetin Lookman dey do, see wetin Moses wey come in dey do. You dey get. So if the team continue like this, definitely there is hope for we to qualify.
So like this issue of coach this Kasalaye.
No. See, for the coach issue, definitely teams they get their bad day. I feel say sometimes we are too hasty to sack our coach or to drop them. You need to give coaches time to build up. You know, Eguavon has always been handling the Super Eagles, and he keeps coming back. He shows that he loves the country, he loves the team. So this time around, he has shown his quality once again. His first game coming back, he won 3-0. So he not be something when he maybe go draw the next match or come the momo. You need to give coaches time to build their team. Eguavon is good, other coaches were good, but just that we need the immediate result, and maybe that is why we are in a haste to always drop them or sack them.